So they know that this third strand is part of the injectable. That's what they've created. And they put it on the lawn at Windsor Castle and outside Buckingham Palace. And it was all in our face. And people just didn't see it. And the Queen did that. Bless her. 2022, I think it was, wasn't it? Platinum Jubilee 2022. So this was during the rollout that they did that, and they demonstrated it. And I'll mention later today, you know, symbolism and signs will be their downfall. We're just all asleep. We just think, oh, that was a great ceremony, you know, bit of fun. It was far more serious than that. And for the Tree of Life to have 3 sets of spirals is outrageous, and everybody just ignored it. So this third strand, they're calling it satellite DNA, or third strand in effect, but they call it a satellite DNA. So they don't want to call it a third strand because people start asking questions. Why have we got 3 strands, not 2? Now it's got a large array of repeating non-coding DNA, which is the main component, but the main structural consistent is called heterochromatin, and that's the thing that's causing blood clots. So it's the third DNA strand that's causing the blood shots. They can't walk away from this. They can't say, well, you know, it was an RNA DNA thing and a big experiment, and you know, turns out. No, it was planned. Without doubt, it was planned. And a few weeks ago, it moved from satellite DNA. They call it next generation DNA. Red cell clumping. Now, in the second book, years ago, I found a patent in America. Does anyone know about molecular pathology? Okay. Court case in America. Molecular pathology versus myriad genetics. Now, under patent law, and this is UK and America, there's 3 things that you can't encroach upon when you patent something. One is generally the laws of nature, that which is natural cannot be owned, i.e. if a child's eyes are blue at birth and they change colour at the age of 3 to 5, that's a natural thing. So you can't impose a patent on something that DNA-wise is a natural occurring thing in nature. And abstract ideas, a clear demonstration of what patent does. So you can't say, I've got a magic box and this box will print money. Well, how does it print money? Well, we don't want to talk about that. So you have to be very clear in terms of your abstract ideas. And natural phenomena, as I say, chrysalis into butterfly. So there's a number of things that a patent has to be able to demonstrate. And in 2013, there was a court case, document 101, I must add. Strange, that one. Molecular pathology versus myriad genetics. And basically what it was is that myriad genetics basically said, if we create a thing that is an intervention, that individual is now our product. So that corporation owns you. So Pfizer and other products are available. They now own those individuals that have taken what they've taken. And when I get to where I'm going to get to, you'll see why I'm in a bit of a difficult place right now, but knowledge is power. So they own us. So Pfizer and all the others, they actually own those that have taken what they've taken. And then there comes the next problem, because if you are owned by a corporation, if you think about it, you're no longer considered human. You're considered a product in corporation. So if you're not human, you're not entitled to any human rights.